Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make red curry on the Instant Pot. I've got 2 fillets of cod that I got from Whole Foods. They were frozen and I've thawed them a bit in the fridge. They'll steam in the Instant Pot. And what the curry sauce is actually made of 1 can of coconut milk, and then I've added 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. Let me grab the bottle so you can see what it looks like. Here's red curry paste. And I'm going to add 1 red pepper, which I've chopped up on top. And then an eggplant, which I've also chopped. So it's very easy. You just mix it up a bit, get the sauce in. Don't worry, as the dish is being pressure cooked, all of this will fill in the steam, and it's the coconut milk that's going to create the steam that will cook all this food. So to cook this, it's very easy. This is why I love the Instant Pot. I'm just going to pressure cook this. Cancel that out. I'm going to pressure cook it for 20 minutes. Put it at high pressure and hit start. So that's what's great about the Instant Pot. You just set it for pressure cooking 20 minutes and it'll actually keep the warm, once it's done, it'll beep and you can eat the food then. Or if you're still watching a movie or doing something, you can actually let it keep the food warm, and then you can open it when you're ready to eat. It's really easy to use, and on my second Instant Pot, I've got some rice cooking as well. Okay, it's done cooking now. It's made a couple of beeps. You'll see here that it achieved 243 degrees Fahrenheit and cooked it for about 20 minutes. And what we're going to do is we're going to unvent it by using this touch screen to open the vent. So that's all the steam that's been cooking this curry. Okay, I've opened up the Instant Pot and here's what the curry looks like. Awesome. I'm going to use a ladle to serve it onto the rice. So that's how I cook red curry with cod, eggplant, and red peppers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other cooking videos on my channel. Thanks.